नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो दुखी आए। माई सेल्फ JB डॉक्टर अर्चना वर्मा, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ होम्योपैथिक सर्जरी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमन यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. Now today we are studying preoperative care. The learning objectives to be able to organize pre-operative care and the operating list, to understand surgical medical anesthetic aspect of assessment, how to optimize the patient condition, how to take consult, how to organize an operating list. The definition of pre-operative care. The pre-operative period run from the time the patient is admitted to the hospital or surgery center to the time that the surgery begins. Preoperative plans, gathering and recording concisely or relevant information, planning to minimize risk and maximize benefit for surgery for the patient, prepare for adverse event and how to deal with them, communicate with patient and all member of the team. Patient assessment, history taking, examination, investigations, pre-operative treatment, documentation, and communications. Principle of history taking. First, listen what is the problem? Open question. Clarify what does the patient expect? Close question. Narrow differential diagnosis. Focus question. Fitness, comorbidities. Fixed question. Past medical history, cardiovascular. In cardiovascular, confirm the ischemic heart disease, hypertension, heart failure, dysarrhythmias, pulmonary ventricular dysfunction, deep vein thrombosis, and anemia. In respiratory, confirm the COPD, asthma, fibrotic lungs disease condition, respiratory infection, malignancy. In gastrointestinal disease, peptic ulcer disease, GRD, bowel habits, malignancy, liver disease, gastrourinary tract, UTI, renal dysfunction, neurological, epilepsy, CV, psychiatric disorder, congestive function, endocrinal metabolism, diabetic thyroid dysfunction, pheochromocytoma, locomotor system, osteoarthritis, inflammation, ऑर्थोपैथी, ट्यूबरकुलोसिस, हेपेटाइटिस, HIV. तो दीज आर द अपन ये पेशेंट से अपन क्या करेंगे, अगर सर्जरी करने से पहले जो प्री ऑपरेटिव केयर में तो अपन पेशेंट आया, अपन ने हिस्ट्री ली, तो पेशेंट से अपन उसकी पास्ट हिस्ट्री के बारे में जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि उसको कोई डिजीज तो नहीं है, जैसे कि कार्डियोवास्कुलर, रेस्पिरेटरी, लोकोमोटर, एंडोक्राइनल, इनमें से कोई डिजीज तो नहीं है, उनका कंफर्म करेंगे. अगर है तो उसको पहले उसके ट्रीटमेंट के बारे में पूछेंगे, देन उसके बाद में उसकी सर्जरी की आगे की जो प्रोसेस होती है वो स्टार्ट करेंगे. नाउ एग्जामिनेशन. जनरल finding, even if not related to the purpose, procedure should be explored. Surgery related type and site of surgery, complications which have occurred due to the underlying pathology, systemic conformities and their severity, specific, for example, suitability for poisoning during surgery. General physical examination aim to check fitness and for anesthesia and surgery. General physical examination, systemic, CV, CNS, GIT, respiratory system. Specific medical aim to evaluate the presence and severity of other problems, that is diabetic patient undergoing surgery need careful examination for sepsis, neuropathy and microvascular disease. Investigation, routine investigation. Every unit and ward has been on protocol. Their tests which normal performs on most patients coming to surgery. First, full blood count, basic biochemistry, and chest radiography. Now, hematology, to exclude anemia for platelets count, to assess the amount of blood may be needed during or after operation. Urea, creatinine, and electrolytes states of dehydration and renal insufficiency. Liver function test, albumin and protein guide to be nutritional state and how any clotting problem. ECG is recommended in all patients more than 65 years, patient with blood loss and cardiovascular pulmonary problem. Urine analysis used for determination of renal function, inflammation, infection, and metabolic disorder. Pregnancy, BSCG, HBS, hepatitis, Australian antigen, and HIV testing, RBC and HbA, first diabetic blood gas analysis, preoperative problems, hypertension, preoperative blood pressure should not be exceed 160 by 90 Hg. Newly diagnosed hypertension may needed further evaluation. Acute admission require urgent surgery. BP should be controlled more rapidly. Dysarrhythmias, fast arterial fibrillation must be controlled before surgery. Warfarin should be stopped 3 to 4 days before surgery. Regular measurement of serum potassium essential. Some condition disorder may be required. Pacing preoperative. Second and third degree heart block. Respiratory system infection to be treated before surgery. Asthma, established and severity and cause of illness. Patient usually inhaler should be continued. COPD, preoperative chest X-ray, significant COPD who need major surgery. Refer respiratory system ABG analysis. In gastrointestinal disease, regurgitation risk S2 receptor blockers, PPI, NG tube to empty distended abdomen, nil by mouth before surgery, solid stop 6 hours before the surgery and fluid stop 2 hours before the surgery. Jaundice, secondary complication, impaired clotting, risk of renal failure, prophylactic antibiotic needed. Now next, genitourinary disease. First, renal impaired, categorized pre-renal or renal post-renal. Appropriate measure to acidosis, hypocalcemia, hyperkalemia, continuous peritoneal or hemolysis until few hours before surgery, urinary tract infection. Treat such infection before high risk electric surgery. Urgent procedure, antibiotics should be treated and ensure patient maintain good urine output. Now metabolic disorder, diabetes, check HbA1c level, preoperative risk reducing steroids, liquid lowering agent, diabetic control, minor surgery in non-insulin dependent diabetic, omitting morning doses, listing early surgery, restarting treatment, significant surgery in insulin dependent, intravenous insulin in infusion required. Adrenocortical suppression occur in patient receiving oral adrenocortical steroid regularly. Required extra doses of steroid around the time of surgery. Avoid addition basis coagulation factor, thrombophilia. Identify the risk factor for thrombosis, age, obesity, trauma, surgery. Reduce morbidity more than 3 days. Pregnancy, drug, estrogen, HRT. family history for thrombosis, prophylaxis in pre-operative periods, mechanical, pharmacological. HRT should be stopped 6 weeks prior of surgery. Now other disorder, neurological, psychiatric and locomotor. Management plan and key point. Provide all information necessary for the patient to make informed decision. Use common language. Discuss the option rather than telling the patient what will be done. Give the patient time to think things over. Encourage to discuss things and trusted person. Significant surgery aim to confirm previous finding and diagnosis to determine severity to gauge its extent. That is, in inguinal hernia, confirm it's inguinal, not a femoral reducible or not, and what whether reducible or not, whether there are any sign of bowel obstruction, risk assessment and concern. All life or limb threatening complication and all the complication with the incidence of 1% or more than should be discussed with patient. Risk related to comorbidities and anesthesia and surgery. Explain and advantage, side effect and prognosis. Language simple use daily life comprehension to explain risk. Consent, valid consent is necessary expect in life-saving circumstance. Patient mouth is open and tongue producing. Look for loose teeth, scar, infection, thickness of neck with identity, thickening of neck in which is indicated difficult in obtaining airway. Neck movement, thyromental distension and Malampati score. In Malampati score, these are the 4 scores. First is complete visualize for the soft palate. Second class, complete visualize of vulva. Third, visualize of only the base of vulva. And fourth, soft palate is not a visualize at all. Arranging the theatre list, date, place, and time of operation should be matched with availability the personnel. Appropriate equipment and instruments should be made available. Operating list should be distributed as early as possible to be all staff who are involved. Prioritize patient, children and diabetic patient, life and limb threatening surgery, cancer patients. So all are these are the कि अपने को प्री ऑपरेटिव केयर कैसे करना है. सर्जरी के पहले पेशेंट को अपन क्या क्या देखना चाहिए, क्या क्या उसका अपनी फाइल में मेंशन होना चाहिए, क्या उसकी जो टेस्ट रिक्वायरमेंट है वो अपने को करवानी चाहिए, उसकी पास हिस्ट्री देखनी चाहिए और देन उसके कोई कॉम्प्लिकेशन नहीं है तो अपने को आगे फर्दर उसका ट्रीटमेंट स्टार्ट करके सर्जरी को करना चाहिए. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you any query, please mention in comment box. I will be resolve it. Thank you.